We're a world-renowned iron casting facility. We take pride in what we do. You know, we got people checking our stuff and then people checking their stuff. There's a reason why people know Waupaca, because we stand by what we make.
They genuinely try to promote from within.
I worked for contractors out in the mill room. When I had the opportunity, I got hired on.
It really is what you make it. There's a lot to take in at the beginning, but everybody here has made it really easy to come in here.
You can come and do this type of work and have a good career, and it'll be a career that can challenge you, but it also has rewards.
Things I've dreamed about having growing up, a family, some good structure. Coming here has helped me establish that.
I truly think that Waupaca is the lifeblood of this community.
When you're talking about a working class community, I think you're talking about a truly honest, down-to-earth community. That's how things get done inside this company.
I truly enjoy working with the guys I work with.
This is just the best place in my mind to work at in the surrounding area.